नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं पुष्पेंद्र कुमार आप सभी का अपने YouTube चैनल में स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, क्विक पॉइंट्स की सीरीज़ में ये पार्ट नंबर 4 है और अगर आपने इस सीरीज़ की बाकी वीडियोज़ नहीं देखी हैं तो उनका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप उन्हें भी देख सकते हैं। दोस्तों, अगर आपको इस वीडियो की या बाकी वीडियो की अगर PDF फाइल डाउनलोड करनी हो तो आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से जुड़ सकते हैं, जिसका नाम है इंग्लिश लिटरेचर हेल्पर्स। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। विच इंग्लिश पोइट रेफर टू ऑक्सफोर्ड एज दैट स्वीट सिटी विद हर ड्रीमिंग स्पायर्स? आंसर इज मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड. Thyrsis, Death on Arthur Huchecliffe. Thyrsis was published in 1865. Arthur Huchecliffe died in November 1861. Aged 42. 42 की एज में उनकी डेथ हुई थी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कवर हर फेस माइन आइज डैजल सी डाइड यंग. दिस वॉज सेड बाय फर्डिनेंड अबाउट द डचीज ऑफ माल्फी. Duchess of Malfi is a Jacobean revenge tragedy first performed in 1614 in the Globe Theatre. Next point is which war poet made the statement that his subject was the pity of war, that the poetry was in the pity? Wilfred Owen. Next point is Geraldine is a character in Coleridge's Christabel. The opening line of Christabel's are "'Tis the middle of night by the castle clock, and the owls have awakened the crowing cock." Next point is "I have measured out my life in coffee spoons" is a statement made by Alfred Prufrock. Next point is "Waiting for Godot" by Samuel Beckett is a play, is an example of the absurd drama. Waiting for Godot, originally written in French and translated by Samuel Beckett in English. He himself translated it into English. Next point is a European playwright who had a dominant influence on British drama of the first half of the 20th century was Ibsen, Henrik Ibsen. Next point is the author of the Beggars Opera is John Gay. John Gay, also a member of Scribblers Club. Beggars Opera was originally published in 1728, and if I talk about the members of Scribblers Club, Jonathan Swift, Alexander Pope, John Gay, John Arbuthnot, Thomas Parnell, and Henry St. John. These were the members of this club. Next point is which 20th century poet has made the phrase "to stand and stare" popular? It is made popular by W.H. Davis. Next point is the medal was written by Dryden, by John Dryden, first poet laureate of England. देखिए जो जॉन ड्राइडन थे, जॉन ड्राइडन was the first poet laureate of England and he became first poet laureate in England in 1688. Next point is the year in which the famous modernist novel Ulysses by James Joyce appeared in 1922. देखिए 1922 is a most fruitful years in English literature. 1922 में T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland published. T.S. Eliot की द वेस्टलैंड आई थी. 1922 में द ब्यूटीफुल एंड द डैम्ड बाय एफ स्कॉट फिट्जरोल्ड का एक वर्क है, ये आया था. और 1922 में सिद्धार्थ बाय हरमन हीस का एक वर्क है, ये आया था. आगे बात करते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द टेक्निकल नेम फॉर अनराइम्ड इयम्बिक पेंटामीटर इज ब्लैंक वर्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज The Commonwealth was established in England in the mid 17th century. Next point is George Eliot. George Eliot, male name, was the pen name of Mary Ann Evans. देखिए जो जॉर्ज इलियट है ये एक फीमेल राइटर हैं और जो इनका ये नेम है जॉर्ज इलियट, ये एक मेल नेम है और जो इनका रियल नाम है वो क्या है? मैरी एन एवंस. इट मीन्स जॉर्ज इलियट इनका पेन नेम है, किसका? मैरी एन एवंस का. और इनके कुछ फेमस नॉवेल्स हैं एडम बीट, स्लास मार्नर विच वॉज पब्लिश इन 1861, डैनियल डी रोंडा, इट वॉज पब्लिश इन 1876, द मिल ऑन द फ्लोर्स एंड इट वॉज पब्लिश इन 1860. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इफ यू से contagious if you say contagious countries instead of contagious countries, you would be making a mistake known as malapropism. It means जो यहाँ पर रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंसिएशन की बात की जा रही है, मिसिस मालाप्रोप सेरिडन्स द राइवल। देखिए जो राइवल एक वर्क है सेरिडन का, उनके प्ले में ये बताया गया है, उनके प्ले में ये दिखाया गया है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कॉमेडी इज रिलेटेड टू farce in the same way as tragedy is related to melodrama. Next point is according to Sydney, a poet represents an idealized world. Next point is the dramatist who first introduced blank verse in English drama was Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe, also known as Kit Marlowe. अगर आप नहीं जानते इस पॉइंट को तो आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं। He is also known as Kit Marlowe. And if we talk about his DOB, date of birth is 1564, in the same year of Shakespeare, and died in 1593. Next point is the defeat of the Spanish Armada took place in the early 17th century, and it took place in 1588. The defeat of Spanish Armada. Next point is two of the following were the famous diarists of the 17th century. सैमुअल पेपीज एंड जॉन एवेलियन। सैमुअल पेपीज की बात करें तो 1662-1669 जो उन्होंने अपनी डायरी में जो पीरियड रिकॉर्ड किया है वो 1662-1669 तक रिकॉर्ड किया है। जो टाइम पीरियड है, इट कंटेंस ऑफ ग्रेट प्लेग ऑफ लंदन 1665-1666, सेकेंड डच वार विच वॉज इन 1665-1667 एंड ग्रेट फायर ऑफ लंदन 1666। उन्होंने अपनी डायरी में इन चीज़ों को कलेक्ट किया है, इनको डिस्क्राइब किया है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द मूवमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू आर्ट और लिटरेचर वर क्यूबिज्म, एक्सप्रेशनिज्म एंड सरलिज्म। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज सम राइटर्स नोन एज द एंग्री यंग मैन वर किंग्सले एमिस, जॉन ऑसबॉर्न एंड जॉन वेन। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज a play in which a spendthrift youth auctions away the portraits of his ancestors is The School for Scandal. The School for Scandal is a comedy published in 1777. Major characters are Lady Teazle, Joseph Surface, and Lady Sneerwell. Next point is about which famous character in literature is it said, age cannot wither her? Cleopatra. Next point is defamiliarization as a function of art was stressed by Russian formalists. Next point is if music be the food of love, play on. The line occurs in Shakespeare's Twelfth Night. Next point is who is the author of Uses of Literacy? Richard Hogarth. Next point is alone, alone, all alone, alone on a wide, wide sea. This line occurs in a poem by S.T. Coleridge. The Rime of the Ancient Mariner में ये लाइन्स आती हैं। और यहाँ पे अगर हम नेक्स्ट कोट की बात करें, जो फेमस लाइन्स हैं वो हैं He prayeth best who loveth best, all things both great and small, for the dear God who loveth us, he made and loved all. Next point is The Portrait of the Artist as a Young Dog was written by Dylan Thomas. The Portrait of the Artist as a Young Dog collection of short stories which was published in 1940. ये एक short story का collection है। Next point is who wrote the poem Troilus and Cressida? It is by Geoffrey Chaucer. Next point is Milton's Paradise Lost was published in 1667. Next point is about whom did David Garrick comment that he spoke like poor Paul but wrote like an angel? Repeating again, about whom did David Garrick comment that he spoke like poor Paul but wrote like an angel? Oliver Goldsmith. The right option is, or the answer is, Oliver Goldsmith. Next point is Richardson's novel Pamela or Virtue Rewarded is an epistolary novel. Next point is which of the following is a pastoral elegy? It is Lycidas. Lycidas by John Milton. It was written in 1637 and published in 1639. 1938, and it is written on the death of Edward King, a friend of Milton at Cambridge University. He drowned when his ship sank in Irish Sea. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट की बात करते हैं. Who among the following was a pre-Raphaelite poet? Pre-Raphaelite poet was Rossetti, D.G. Rossetti. Next point is the authorized version of the Bible appeared in 1611, also known as King James Version Bible. Next point is which among the following is an Anglo-Saxon epic? Beowulf. Beowulf, इसमें जो monster होता है, the name of monster is Grendel and his mother. Next point is the printing press was first introduced into England by Caxton. Printing press 1476 by William Caxton. His press name was Red Pale, if I'm not wrong. आप एक बार इसको सर्च करिए. If I'm right, kindly write in comments. His printing press name was Red Pale, R-E-D Red, P-A-L-E Pale. Next point is Chaucer's pilgrims first met in a place called the Tabard Inn. Next point is some of Shakespeare's sonnets were addressed to Dark Lady. Next point is the famous letter to Lord Chesterfield, which sounded the death knell of literary patronage, was written by Samuel Johnson. Next point is peripecia is seen in tragedy when there is a reversal of fortune, as when the protagonist takes a course of action and it brings about the opposite of the expected result. Next point is A Tale of a Tub is a comedy by Ben Jonson. Tale of a Tub, published in 1704. A Tale of a Tub is a comedy by Ben Jonson, satire by Swift. It is a satire by Swift, which was published in 1704. Next point is a woman playwright who was popular in the Restoration age was Aphra Behn. Aphra Behn, D.O.B. 1640 and D.O.D. 1689. First woman writer who earned her living by her writing. इनके कुछ फेमस वर्क देखते हैं. द रोवर पार्ट 1 was published in 1677 and its part 2 was published in 1681. देखिए रोवर के दो पार्ट थे. फर्स्ट पार्ट published in 1677 and second part published in 1681 and it is a play. Second is Oronuku. It was published in 1688 and it is a novel. Next point is The Principles of Literary Criticism, I.A. Richards, was published in 1924. A modern play which employs the classical conviction of the chorus is Murder in the Cathedral by T.S. Eliot. Murder in the Cathedral was published in 1935. Next point is the central function of criticism, according to Arnold, is to promote discrimination in the reader and civilize standards. Next point is the fault, dear Brutus, is not in our stars but in ourselves, that we are underlings. These lines occur in play by Shakespeare. Julius Caesar में लाइन कही जाती हैं. Next point is ends. I am dumb to tell the lover's storm, how at my seat goes the same crooked worm. These lines occur in a poem by Dylan Thomas. The force that through the green fuse drives the flower. Next point is the poet who wrote Little Gidding is T.S. Eliot. Fourth and final poem of 4 quartets. देखिए जो लिटिल गिडिंग है, इट इज़ अ फोर्थ एंड फाइनल पोएम ऑफ 4 क्वार्टेट. इसमें फोर्थ पोएम है. चलिए ब्रंट नॉर्टन ईस्ट कोकर द ड्राई स्लवेजेस, अ सीरीज ऑफ पोएम्स दैट डिस्कस टाइम, पर्सपेक्टिव, ह्यूमैनिटी एंड साल्वेशन. 4 क्वार्टेट सेट ऑफ 4 पोएम्स में सबसे पहली ब्रंट नॉर्टन, सेकंड इज ईस्ट कोकर, थर्ड वन द ड्राई स्लेवेजेस एंड फोर्थ इज लिटिल गिडिंग एंड इट वॉज पब्लिश्ड इन 1943. ये 1943 में कलेक्शन आता है. इस वीडियो में सिर्फ इतना ही. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, आपका सीजन शुभ हो.